Alright, so once again, welcome back to another episode with Crypto Delphi. In today's video, I am going to show you how to participate in the SuiNS Task on Bitget Wallet. So basically, this task is a very simple one. So I'm going to go straight into showing you everything you need to do. And the task we are talking about is nothing but this task here. As you can see here, this is the task we are looking at today. So we're going to scroll all the way. We're going to see this task here that says win 2.7 million NS with SuiNS. Alright, so this is the task. Now the important thing about this task is that this task is ending in less than 24 hours. So if you are to do this task, you are to be very fast because it ends very soon. Alright, so with that having been said, let's jump right straight into the video. Okay, so basically what you need in order to participate in to perform this task, you just need a Bitget wallet. That is it. Now, the moment you open your Bitget wallet, you can either create your account or you can import an existing account. If you don't have Bitget wallet, for those of you who don't know what Bitget wallet is, you just have to go to Play Store. Just make sure you download the right wallet. Very simple. When you go to the Play Store, you're going to see, just search for Bitget wallet. You're going to see it there. So Bitget Wallet. So this is it. So the moment this one pops up, you have to select it, and that is that. So this is one we are talking about. Please make sure you download this one. So this is it. Okay, so after downloading the wallet, you just have to set up your account. You can either create a new account or you can import your existing account. Okay, so after doing that, you now come back to this video and continue with this task. So the moment you open your Bitget wallet, the first thing you need to do after creating your account is come to home. So the moment you come to home, you're going to be able to access this place that says Earning Center. Yeah, there's a point called Earning Center here. So we're going to look for it. So Earning Center, you can actually go to more. You can actually go to more, and you're going to see Earning Center. So Earning Center, where is it? So this is okay. The latest update is a bit different. Formerly, you should just see it here. So, but since it's like this, you have to come down to, instead of Earning Center, come to Discover. So the moment you come to Discover, you're going to be able to access the task. So once you come to Discover, please make sure that you select Reward Center. Yeah, Reward Center. So make sure you select Reward Center. Alright. So after selecting Reward Center, you're going to be able to access all of these tasks. So these are different tasks that are available on Bitget Wallet. So, but for today's video, we shall be looking at the SuiNS task, this very task here. Alright, so we're going to open this task and see what it requires of us in order to complete this very task. Okay, so click on it, and it's going to take us to the task page where you have to read the requirements for you to complete this task. Okay, so now that the task page has loaded up, we are going to now look at it. The very first criteria says that you should hold 100 BWB. You can see that now. Not just to hold, you have to hold till the end of the event. So when you hold, the snapshot will be around towards the end. So make sure you hold till the end. Then secondly, the next one says you should hold or register a domain. Yeah, look at it here. It says hold or register a domain. And so we really don't know how much the domain costs. So we're going to check it out now really soon. Then the next one says follow on X, which is very simple. And then the last, no, not last one, second to the last one says follow them on Discord, which is also very simple. Now the very last one here says just learn more about the activities, which is one of the simplest you can ever think of. Okay, now the very first one that says hold 100 BWB. So we're going to really take them one after the other and then make sure we complete the task. Okay, so but before we go into this, let's check where we can get BWB and also where we can get Sui that we're going to use to buy the domain. Alright, so BWB, you can get BWB from, you can either go to Bitget, just go to Bitget Exchange. You can get your BWB here from Bitget Exchange. You just type BWB, buy some BWB here. As you can see here, BWB. So this is the BWB. So they say you should buy 100 of this, 100 of it. So now you know how much you're going to spend. So that's that. Then for the SuiNS, we're going to need some Sui. But for us to find out, we'll find out how much Sui we are going to be needing. I mean for this very one, to hold the domain. But that is later on in this video. So the very first one that says hold 100 BWB, the network is not specified. So all you just need to do is buy some BWB from the exchange as I've shown you here. Then after that, you need to go back, copy your wallet address. In order to copy your wallet address to deposit your BWB, you need to come to wallet here. When you come to wallet here, you now have to just make sure that you change. It depends on the network, so there's no specified network. So you can decide the network you want to hold on, but I would advise you to hold on. Probably you can hold on to Solana or Base network. So I'm holding on Base, so I'm going to search for Base, add Base network. All right, then open it. Now this is it. So you can see that I have already bought some BWB from exchange. You get it now? So I'm holding my own BWB. That qualifies me for the first criteria. Okay, now after you buy some BWB and you are holding, now we're going to look at the next task that says, let's see what it says. Now for those of you who don't know how to copy your wallet address, you just have to click on this BWB to copy your wallet address. Click on it and then click on receive. Then when you click on receive, just click on this place and copy the wallet address. So after you copy the wallet address, you now have to go back to the exchange and then make your deposit by going to withdraw. So when you come to withdraw, yeah, right, so you're going to see, just come to withdraw. I believe you should know how to do that. All right, so if you don't know how to do that, you have to check out the video I made on how to withdraw and deposit. So you just have to withdraw. But I want to show you something. When you are withdrawing your BWB on chain withdrawal, you have to make sure that you select the network. Make sure the network is Base. If it's not Base, please change it. You can see there are so many networks here, but make sure you select Base. That is network. All right, because that is the address we copied. So after that, here is where you post your address, and then after that you enter your amount, and after everything you just click on withdraw. All right, so after you've done that, it's going to arrive in your wallet really shortly. So this is it. So I've already done the withdrawal, and the BWB is already on my wallet, so I don't really need to stress myself much again. Okay, so I've fulfilled this task. Now the very next one says, let's look at the next task here. The next task here says we have to go back to reward center. We have to scroll. This is it. So open it again and let's see what it's all about, what the next task is all about. Okay, all right. So now that the next task has actually opened, we are now going to look at what it's all about. So let's look at it. We have completed this one, so we are now going to look at this very one. You get it now? So now just have to click on it, click on start interaction. All right, so click on start interaction. Please make sure you click on start interaction for this one, just in case. Yeah, just click on it and leave it if you have performed the task already. So now the next one says start interaction, so we're going to open it and let's see what it's all about. So it says we should buy a domain, right? Let me go back and see. So it says we should buy a domain. Yeah. Now this one says buy some Sui domain. So let's see. So now we have to search for the domain, your own identity. You have to search for it. So I'm searching for my identity. So I'm searching for my identity of Vilo, and I have to search. Just on this place to search to see if it's available or not. Of course, Vilo will be available. Nobody ever takes that. So that is that. So this is it. So it says available. So now the next thing you need to do, we need to click on it and see what it's all about. Your wallet is not connected. Okay, so we need to connect our wallet. Now, before we proceed, look at it here. It's going to cost us 20 Sui. Are you with me now? So you need to know how much 20 Sui is. You need to go back. In order for you to deposit some Sui, let's go back and then return again. Let's go back and deposit some Sui. So as you can see here now, come to your wallet as usual, come to wallet, and then when you're on wallet, please you need to change your network to SUI network. See this network here? So you need to really change it to SUI. So search for SUI. Alright. So when you have searched for it, this is it. Please select this one. Alright. So after that, so as you can see, I already have my SUI here. I already have my SUI here. So you can just purchase on SUI from any exchange. Basically, I made use of Bitget. So you have to, first of all, you have to make sure you copy your address. Click on this SUI here, copy your wallet address, and then you now go to exchange. So go to receive, and this is it. Copy your wallet address here. Alright. So you can now go back to the exchange and then buy some SUI. You can search for SUI. If you don't know how to buy and sell, please check out the videos I've made on how to buy and sell. So just buy some SUI. So currently the price of SUI is this. So you need 20 of it. As you can see here, you need 20 of this. You get it now? Alright. So just buy some SUI and then you withdraw. When you are withdrawing, go to assets, go to withdraw, and then search for SUI. After buying the SUI, this is actually how you withdraw. So just search for SUI, then open it, on chain withdrawal, and then please make sure that the network is on SUI network. That is network, please. I think that's the only network available. Enter your wallet address, enter the amount, and then come and withdraw. Alright. So after you've withdrawn, after some minutes, you're going to get it on your wallet. So I've already made the withdrawal, so I don't really need to bother myself anymore with this. Okay. Alright. So that having been said, let's now jump right straight into the next thing. So let's go straight to the task now, and then open the task and then buy the domain, which is very important. Okay, so while the thing is loading up, okay, so it has already loaded up. So now just go back again to this number 2, go to start interaction. Then when you're on start interaction, you have to wait for it to load, just very few seconds. Alright, so now it has loaded up on your identity. As usual, we have to connect to our wallet first. I have to collect my wallet, not be our wallet. So connect my wallet. Now please make sure you agree to the terms and whatever they call it here. So just click on it and accept. You don't accept. See if you actually accept it. So we just need to start. You just need to select Bitget Wallet, and let's see. So it's going to be automatically connected. So as you can see here now, it's already connected. So that's very wonderful. Okay, so now as usual, we need to search for the domain we are buying. And here, the domain I'm buying is not that domain, but Ovilo. Alright, so I have to search for Ovilo. So what is this domain all about? It's like your identity. So if I want to transfer money to my wallet, I can actually use Ovilo and the money will still enter. Alright, so the subscription period is 1 year, as you can see. The total cost is 20 SUI, as you can see. Now, if you have a discount code or eligible NFT, I don't have that. So select an eligible NFT. I don't have anyone. Purchasing, alright. Registration expires. Okay. So now the next thing after that, I have to click on this register name, and that will be that. So I just have to click on register name, and it's going to remove 20 SUI from my balance. So the transaction fee is actually very little, very small, and it's going to be removing 20 SUI from my balance. Alright, so I have to put my password, and after some minutes, it's not a minute, after a few seconds. So registration successful. So as you can see here now, so the registration is successful. So I have successfully purchased my own domain, Ovilo. Alright, so this is actually what it's all about. So I think that's all. So now that I've done it, I will now have to go back and then click on completed. So now I have completed this. the next thing now is for me to go to the next task that says follow them on X. It's actually a very simple task, so you don't need to waste time on that. So just follow their social media. Alright, so we're just going to click on it. When it comes to X, we're going to click on follow. Just follow them on X. Alright, so just follow them on X. Alright, so now the next thing we really need to do is we really need to go back, and now we are done with this. The very next task says Discord. Follow them on Discord. Click on start interaction, and then it's going to load up and they ask you to join them on Discord. So you can actually join them on Discord. Alright, okay, so now after joining them on Discord, just follow them on Discord and then do the task on Discord. So let's see. So it says just accept invites and then join their Discord channel. Get it? Alright, so that's that. So now it's going to open up the Discord channel where I will have to join the Discord. So as soon as I'm done with that very task, I'm going to quickly go back and then continue with the task, the rest of the task. So the moment it opens up Discord, it might not really pop it up immediately. You just have to exercise little patience and it's going to really come up. Okay, so just wait. Let's see. This is going to be like this for a few moments and nothing pops up. Let's see. Nothing. Okay, it has popped up. Okay, so just click on accept invite and that will be that for Discord. Okay, so the moment it is accepted, it might ask us a few questions. Yeah, you can just complete these few steps here before you talk. Complete the few steps just in case. Scroll all the way and then click on I agree. Alright, so after you've agreed, completed, you're now going to go back to the next task. Okay, done. Okay, so let's go back again now. Let's now go back and then continue with the task. So now we have completed the Discord task. We are going to go back and then the very last task says this one says learn more about SuiNS activities. So we just have to click on this learn more about SuiNS activities, start interaction. So it's actually a very simple task. Just have to click on it, nothing much to learn. Just have to look at it. Let's see what it is like. Okay, so nothing much is here actually. So let's see what this one is all about. It's talking about the listing. It's talking about the listing. So the listing is actually coming really soon, and so on and so forth. So you don't really need to stress yourself much. Alright, so let's just go back and see if there's any other thing we need to do. So under this lemon, let's say it says welcome to participate to Sui Candy Bomb event on Bitget Exchange. Users who complete all 5 tasks have a greater chance of receiving reward. So okay, let's check out the five tasks here and see the task they're talking about. You get it now? So let's see whether it's for us. Whether it's compulsory. Of course, it's not compulsory. You know that it can never be compulsory. So one, let's see. So there's nothing. There's no much. Airdrop coin, 55,000 cents. Okay. All right. So let's see individual airdrop, and this is obtained by which can get up to. So there's no need. We don't really need to stress ourselves. So we have learned what we want to learn. It's not really for us anymore. So you just have to come back here. Now we have performed all the task, but there's one more thing. We have done this, we have done this, we have done this, as well as this and this. Now the last thing we need to do before we call it a day is you really need to come all the way down to this place. Click on verification. Make sure you click on verification. When you click on verification, just give it some time and it's gonna, let's see what it will say. Alright, so it says all participants will undergo verification once the event ends. Thank you for your patience. So that's that. So if you see this message, it's normal, don't worry. Just click on got it and that will be all. So just click on got it and that will be all. Alright, so that is that for this video. Now if you know you learned something from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please reach out description, the comment section, and leave your question in the comment section, and I'm going to attend to that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and do have a nice day. Thank you. Yeah.